Good afternoon, everyone. Air pollution, what is air pollution? Air pollution is the contamination of the air by harmful substances which can have a variety of negative impact on human health and the environment. Example na is nakikita ko sa mga sakyanan, sa volcanoes o sa mga industries. So, air pollutants are substances that contribute to air pollution. They can be classified into primary pollutants and secondary pollutants. Mga primary pollutants contributed directly from source, example, carbon monoxide from cars, sulfur dioxide from industries like mga natural stationary, primary pollutants. Secondary pollutants formed by chemical reaction into atmosphere. Baka na-form naman ang primary pollutants. So, makasya to secondary pollutants.
Ay, ang primary mo na ang mga mag-ikat.
And then, the form may mga siya o ka ng secondary pollutants.
Carbon.
Air pollution and climate change. Air pollution is dirty air. When harmful stuff like smoke and fumes are in the air we breathe, making it unhealthy. Para ka na, example na namin sa balay, ganun ito ang abot ng mga wala to kasi mo.
Kaya sa ako, hindi na sabihin ang buwan.
Climate change is a big change in Earth weather over a long time. It's getting warmer because of gases dropping heat like a blanket around the Earth. This causes problems like more storms and rising sea levels. Balik, example ganito yung aning. Dropping heat like a blanket around the Earth. Pagkuhanan na, this causes problems like more storms and rising sea levels. Makapos po ng problem na dito mga baha o kanang sa baha lagi pag susulan. Solution to air pollution and climate change. Use renewable energy, solar wind. Promote electric vehicles and public transport. Kaya mga sakyanan mga kanabi ang gamit nila is kanang solar. Protect forests and enhance reforestation efforts. Magtanong sa mga bukid ito para makuhaan ang para dili pagtikuan is dili na siya pusog kayo mo pusog ito sa mga bukid is na mag-landslide ito. Air pollution control, clean air legislation at AQI. So, air pollution control, regulation to reduce emissions. This means making laws to limit how much pollution businesses and cars can release. Limit na nila kung sila ang i-release. Then, urban planning and green policies. This focuses on making cities more environmentally friendly. Example is building more bike lanes and public transportation. Encourage people to use less polluting vehicles. Then, planting more trees helps clean the air naturally. Public awareness and monitoring. This involves educating people about air pollution and keeping track of pollution levels. Makimo sila dito sa way about sa air pollution. Sa nila pag-control na clean air legislation. Ang sayo is Clean Air Act 1970, air quality standards. Set standards for how clean the air must be. Ang sa EU Air Quality Directive women pollutants. It depends on the amount of different pollutants allowed in the air. Sa India, Air Act 1981 regulates emission. Controls how much pollution is released from factories and vehicles. Ang sa China, action plan, that's PM 2.5. Pag galing PM 2.5 is kung siya kaning mga particulate matters, ito kaning mga tiny particles, ang kapal, mga abog, anak. Air quality index. Measure air pollution levels. Track pollutants like PM 2.5 and nitrogen oxide and ozone. Helps inform public policies. Ang kaning air quality index man sila ang measure kung masa kalimyo ang kuan air. Measure how clean or polluted the air. Okay. AQI scale and health impact. Pag mo 0 to 50 galing siya, ang air quality niya is good. Ang isang health impact, no rest. Pag 51 to 100, moderate, sub-concern, nananig ka ng mga concern sa mga body. 100 to 150, unhealthy for sensitive groups. Caution for elderly and children ka ng mga paano yung mga tiguang ka ng mga bata. 151 to 200, unhealthy, affects everyone. 201 to 300 is very unhealthy. Other 301 plus hazardous emergency condition. Alam sa emergency condition is sa kanang paano dito ka nila sa hospital. Ha? Nandila lang ng hospital. Ng helmet. Salamat. Thank you.
Kunyig ko kay ko ba?